Here comes Thomas the Tank Engine. Hello, Thomas.
What's up, buddy?
Thomas and his friends work hard every day. One day, it was morning on the island of Sodoi. Thomas woke up. It was his birthday today. He was excited. He did not want to work today. He wanted to have a party. So Top and Hat came to Tidmouth Sheds. So Top and Hat said, "All of your friends are busy today. They are working. You have to work today, Thomas." Thomas was very cross. So Thomas worked hard on his branch line. Up and down, backwards and forwards. He carries passengers. He carries animals. He carries wood. And he carries grain. Thomas sees his friends in their sheds. They were doing nothing. They didn't even say happy birthday to Thomas. Thomas was very sad that no one said happy birthday to him. But there was an engine that Thomas gets annoyed at. "Hello!" "Oh crap, it's Billy." "Happy birthday, Thomas!" Thomas was very angry. Billy's voice was so annoying. "I want to spend time with you. It's your birthday, Thomas." But Thomas was very cross. "Get out of my way," said Thomas, and he pushed Billy off the track. "Ow," said Billy. Thomas giggled, and Thomas steamed off. Billy was very sad. "Thomas, wait for me!" But Billy couldn't get back onto the track. The sun was beginning to set, and the daytime was over. Thomas had been done working. He was tired, and he was on his way home. The engines did not look busy today, thought Thomas. He was very sad. He had a worst birthday today. But suddenly, "Holy crap," said Thomas. There was a cow in the line. "Out of my way," said Thomas. "Moo." No, says Thomas. "Not moving. Move!" So Thomas ran over a cow. The cow was out of the line now, and Thomas was on his way back to Tidmouth Sheds. It was late, and it was dark. Thomas felt so tired. He made it to Tidmouth Sheds and went inside Tidmouth Sheds. As he went inside Tidmouth Sheds, the light turned on. "Surprise!" all of them yelled. There were colorful freight cars and presents and silly hats, and there was even a cake for Thomas. And a Chinese dragon. "Happy birthday, Thomas, and surprise!" But all of the engines just yelled, "Shut up, Billy. and Percy shoved Billy off the tracks. Billy was the most annoying engine in the island of Sodor. Ow, Mommy! Thank you, everyone, said Thomas. Soon, all of the people put on decorations on Thomas. Thomas was very happy. Aren't you guys gonna sing happy birthday to me? Said Thomas. No, said the engines, but we should play a song on the cake. Huh? It's not working. There we go. That's very boring, said Thomas. Fine. Oh my God. We have to sing your birthday song. Do we have to? Please, said Thomas. This is my favorite song. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. You live in a zoo. You look like a monkey. And you smell like 1, 2.
Thomas was very upset. Why do all of you guys hate me? Said Thomas. Because, said Edward, you're a diesel. What? Said Thomas. What makes you think I'm a diesel? I'll show you, said Edward, and he pushed Thomas. Thomas was Diesel. Diesel was in a costume of Thomas. You liar, said the engines. You're a fake, Thomas. Diesel was crying. I'm just jealous that it's Thomas's birthday today, said Diesel, and I wanted to be my birthday today. Diesel should have birthdays more than stinky old stupid steamies. Oh look, here comes Thomas. He's wheel. The wheel one was very excited. Surprise, said the engines. Thomas gasped. Well, thank you, everyone. Happy birthday, Thomas, said the engines. Diesel was very cross. He hated Thomas. He wanted to push him off the track. Thank you all, said Thomas. What a best birthday ever. The end.